What if a simple drink could help you live longer? Imagine this, boosting your body's ability to heal, protecting your heart, fighting off disease, all by what you choose to put in your cup. It comes down to one thing: stem cells. These cells are the body's personal repair system. More stem cells mean easier recovery, stronger organs, a longer, healthier life. But if your stem cells drop, trouble follows. Here's the good news: foods and drinks can actually help your body make more stem cells. Today, we're learning from Dr. William Lai. He's a Harvard-trained doctor, a top researcher, founder of the Angiogenesis Foundation. Dr. Lai has contributed to more than 40 FDA-approved therapies for cancer, heart disease, wound healing, and vision loss. He's also a best-selling author, Eat to Beat Disease and Eat to Beat Diet. Let's explore his key teachings on hydration and the top 3 drinks beyond water that help boost stem cells and longevity. Start with these 5 essential habits for a healthier, longer life. Stay hydrated. When your body's dehydrated, everything works harder. Eat what you love, but make sure most meals are plant-based. Cut back on ultra-processed foods. Reduce added sugars as much as you can. And don't just grab any beverage, choose smart drinks like tea and coffee. What you add to your drink can matter as much as the drink itself. Now, the 3 drinks that do wonders for your health. Green tea. It's full of plant-based polyphenols, especially egg. Doesn't matter if it's bagged, loose, or matcha, those good compounds dissolve into your hot cup. When you drink green tea, your body absorbs these natural antioxidants. They relax you, lower stress hormones, help your cholesterol, fight inflammation, and battle some cancers. What about black tea? It's a winner too. Black tea is fermented, but new science shows it can double your stem cell levels. So don't count it out. Love milk in your tea? Think again. Cow's milk contains fat. When it mixes with tea, the fat forms micelles. These tiny bubbles trap the healthy polyphenols, stopping your body from absorbing them. You get flavor, but miss out on most of the benefits. Want creamy tea without losing the good stuff? Choose plant-based milks, almond, soy, or cashew, or opt for milk oolong from Taiwan, a tea leaf that tastes milky with no dairy at all. Blending teas can be even better. Mix varieties like jasmine, sencha, and Earl Grey for extra benefit. Sensitive to caffeine? Pick decaf teas processed with water, not chemicals. Next up, coffee. Coffee is loaded with chlorogenic acid. It's great for your metabolism, activates the body's health defenses, and lowers inflammation. A major UK study tracked over 170,000 people. Those who drank 2 to 3.5 cups each day lowered their risk of death by 30%. Coffee also boosts blood flow, stimulates stem cells to repair organs, and helps your gut, reducing inflammation and supporting immunity. Organic coffee beans are best. They contain even more chlorogenic acid. Now let's talk chocolate. Not just any chocolate, high-flavanol dark chocolate. In one clinical study, drinking 2 cups of hot dark chocolate every day doubled stem cell counts in people with heart disease. A big German study found that just a few grams of dark chocolate each day cut heart attack and stroke risk by nearly 40%. Look for chocolate that's 73% cacao or higher. Skip the sugar and milk. It's the dark chocolate that matters. Dr. Lai's research even found dark chocolate could starve cancer cells and kill leukemia cells, at least in lab experiments. Bonus tip: pomegranate juice. It's rich in antioxidants and can help the body fight cancer. There's one drink to avoid: alcohol. Too much alcohol damages stem cells, weakens your body's ability to heal, and ruins real, deep sleep. Cutting down helps your body repair overnight and boosts health and lifespan. Let's recap the essentials. Stay hydrated. Go heavy on plants. Cut processed and sugary foods. Choose green tea, black tea, coffee, and dark chocolate. Use plant-based milks with your tea. Limit alcohol for best results. Every little choice adds up. For more simple health tips, subscribe, like, and share your favorite healthy drink below. Stay curious, stay positive, and let every sip move you towards a stronger, longer life.